Upgrade your BMW with professionally fitted parking sensors from Autologics, installed nationwide at a location of your choice. Choose from front sensor packages, expertly color matched to your vehicle for a clean factory-style finish. With intelligent detection technology, advanced false alert prevention, and automatic front sensor activation through CAN bus integration, every journey feels effortless, designed with a near-flush, OEM-style look and built for all weather conditions. Our sensors provide accurate, audible alerts to help make parking safer, easier, and stress-free. Autologics, trusted nationwide vehicle upgrades, installed with precision.